Hi everyone. Once again, this is Silent Trader. No, I'll be talking about the gold. No, what will be the possible move for gold, and what will be the next scenario. Okay, for gold is very bullish. No, as you can see, if you notice, no, it's go along with the dollar index. No, as you can see, we have a decline for the 1 hour time frame. But if you compare that one on the dollar index, as you can see, there is a slight parallel move, no, so whenever the dollar index dropped, the gold also dropped, no, there will be a significant drop for the gold. Okay, which means that people are transferring their money or they're buying their assets, no. So maybe there will be some pullback on the stock market and other markets, no. So as you can see, gold is very strong, but I think there will be some retracement will happen probably around this area, around 3081. Okay, so that will be our eyeing target, no, and the next target will be around here, no. It depends if it will deep, no, just like what happened here, no. Okay, so as you can see, we have this high but rejected. No, we've seen that move. As you can see, whenever there is a drop or decline, no, after hitting the all-time highs, it creates a retest, no, on that EMA 200, no, in the 1 hour time frame. So that's the behavior of entirely with gold. Okay, so as you can see, we don't have any selling pressure yet, but anytime soon it could trigger a selling pressure. So probably the selling will be a there will be a continuation or probably a drop from that around will be around 42 pips, no, around 1.35%. Now down to most worst will be around 2.22%. No? But if you are very bullish for gold, probably will try to check if this will act as a ending diagonal for lower time frame. Okay, so probably if gold will not break this lower, it will have something like that, and before it goes down, no. But basically, as dollar moves down, there will be a weakness also with the gold. Okay, so we'll wait for this, no, and we can do shorting or selling if there will be a major break below this around 311. It could trigger lower down, no. If it will not hold this EMA 200 on the 1 hour, probably it will touch around this nearest support, no. And in the daily time frame, still very bullish, no, but there will be a parallel move. As you can see, this is very parallel, I mean parabolic, no. This is a very parabolic move. So whenever gold experience a parabolic move, it has a rejection or probably a retracement, just like what happened here. Parabolic move, and there will be a significant drop. Okay, just like what happened also here, parabolic move, and there is a significant drop. Now, probably this one, we will also experience a significant drop. Okay, that's all for gold. Thank you, and God bless.